not like this. Nope, it's like this. This is a bit fiddly. Cool. Now we're gonna connect the midsection of the control center. Now I've laid everything out, and that's good practice because in many cases you've got components that look similar but are actually mirror image. So it's good to browse through the instructions and just lay everything out the way you need to. Assemble it later, makes it a bit easier. I've got my screws AP and FP. I've left them in the packet and I will only unpack it when I need them. All right, let's have a look. So we start with this part, which is part C, and I've already laid this out. So let's quickly assemble this bit. All right, that's easy enough, and we need an AP screw. Okay, so we're gonna open this up now. And as per usual, there should be a spare. I'm gonna leave this packet here so I know which screw it is. And I get my trusty screwdriver because it's magnetic. And screw this one in, easy. And the same with this one. Make sure it's oriented correctly, like so. And let's screw this part in. Okay, now let's have a look what's next. Okay, so now we're gonna take the section we built in the previous video, and by the looks of it, yeah, we want to have this on the bottom, and we're going to connect this midsection on these screws. Make sure it's oriented correctly, so it's not like this. Nope, it's like this, and it should fit perfectly. Nice. Okay, and now we're going to need the FP screws. All right, let's get them out. And keep the label there, and we're just gonna screw these in here real quick. Now, by the looks of it, we're going to mirror this on the other side as well. And this is going to be part of the midsection of the Dalek build. Okay, two more. Like I said many times before, take your time because this is plastic and nothing is routed, so you don't want to over tighten them. And in many cases you only get one chance to really put them in properly. All right, cool. Now what do we do next? We'll take part C, which is this part. And that should be connected on the right side somewhere. Okay. This is a bit fiddly. All right. And the other one goes on the opposite side. Now make sure there's a hole in the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. You fit this part in first, properly align it, and now trying to align it with the holes in the back. I think that's it. Okay, and now all we have to do is add 4 more of these AP screws. Alrighty, easy. Or not so easy. So these screw holes are slightly angled, and I think I already see a problem here. There you go. Wasn't aligned properly. Now it works. So if you try to screw these in and it just doesn't work, just make sure this is aligned properly over the shafts. Otherwise you can't screw them in. The screw has nothing to grip on. Again, this one is in an angle, as you can see. So be careful with that. So it's not like this, it's in an angle. And last but not least, the last of the AP screws, and I think that is it for this episode. Cool. All right.